What is up, guys? Boys, you like, subscribe, and share. So basically, we're gonna go over how to use loratadine. Basically, it's an antihistamine that reduces the effect of natural chemical histamine in the body, which is usually created by the body through the cells. For allergic reactions or things of that nature. Maybe you get hives or something like that. The body creates a compound called histamine. So basically, it's an antihistamine. Um, that reduces, like I said, sneezing, itching, watery eyes, runny nose. It's used to treat all those things. It can be found in basically any store, dollar store, CVS. Basically, what antihistamine is a compound that inhibits the psychological effects of histamine, which is used for the treatment of mostly, specifically allergies. Like I said, you guys, histamine is basically a compound released by the cells and also created by the cells in response to injury, allergic reactions, or inflammatory things as well. Like, subscribe, share, check out links in the description, boy. This stuff it works.